Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making a painting of a flower with alcohol inks. I've got Mantilla Black and I've got Passion Purple, and these Pinata alcohol inks. I'm going to be blowing each petal with my new airbrush from Meeden. I have links in my description below my video of the website for Meeden and a few links of the products that I got. I have a airbrush kit, so I have the compressor. I've got 3 airbrushes and a few other things with my kit, so their links will be in my description. I also have a coupon code for 10% off your purchase if you purchase anything. Okay, I'm going to begin. I'm going to be placing my ink down in a little spot right here, and I'm going to be letting that dry. And then once that's dry, I'm going to be adding some alcohol in drops along the area that's dry, and then I'm going to be blowing it out with my airbrush. Okay. Each time I add a different color, I dry with the hair dryer. I am adding 1 or 2 drops of alcohol to the dried part of the ink, and I am blowing down with my airbrush. I'm trying to get them very thin. I know the first 2 or 3 were a little bit wider than I wanted, but it seems that I'm doing it okay now. They're a lot thinner now. So I'm going to go all the way around. I think that I am adding, whoops. I think that oh no, I'm adding more purple there. Oh, I know what I did. I'm sorry. What I did was I added the ink to my tile the day before, and I let it dry overnight, and I think it dried too much, and I couldn't quite get the ink to flow. So I figured that I shouldn't let it dry overnight. Next time I'll do it. I'll just do it the same day. Like as soon as I dry it with the hair dryer, I will I will then work on it. See, it's better now. So I'm just going to work around until I get what I like. And then I'm going to do the flower center after it dries. Here I'm adding the flower center with some acrylic paint, some yellow acrylic paint. And then after that, after I'm done that, I add a little bit of white in dots all around the center. Okay, I'm done. I'll just show you a close-up. So, thank you for watching my video. Have a great day. Bye for now.